To sign up and sign in to ChatGPT in 2 minutes, open your favorite browser and type chat space GPT and hit enter. The very first result will come chat.openai.com. Please make sure that you only visit this link and you click on ChatGPT, and then you will see a new window like this where it says login and sign up. So I'll click on sign up, and it says create an account, enter the email address and continue. So either you can enter the email address or you can sign in with your Google or Microsoft account. I'll enter the email address like this and I'll click on continue. And here it will ask you to create a password. So you enter the password and then you click on continue. Once you do that, it will ask you to confirm your email, and they will send you an email to your email address, and you just need to open that email and activate it. And once you do that, you will be able to log into your email, the ChatGPT, and you can start using it. I hope you have enjoyed this very short tutorial. Please hit the like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Have a wonderful day.